the most anticipated, most awaited, newer version of possibly the world's most beloved truck is finally here. And in fact, calling it an all-new version has been raising some eyebrows recently. That's the reason why I've been able to tell that this has been a very interesting launch from Toyota, and I can't wait to share with you guys my thoughts about it. So go ahead and grab your favorite drinks, favorite snacks, because this is gonna be a very fun conversation. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go. So like I mentioned earlier, the Toyota Hilux is probably the most beloved pickup truck in the whole wide world. And because it's been really good, I think that just tweaking some things and changing, especially the looks, can really cause different reactions. Of course, when we talk about reliability, toughness, and just being rugged, being able to do the work, that's Hilux right there. But one thing that is mostly overlooked as well is how good looking it is. If I may share, the Toyota Hilux is actually my dream pickup truck, especially the higher end ones. It's called Conquest in the Philippines, in which I just really love the front grille of that one because it just shows a right amount of ruggedness but still being elegant. We were really planning to get one, and we were really close to getting it. That is why this new launching or this new version of the Toyota Hilux is, I'm really a bit emotionally invested about this. So as we talk about the new version, allow me to kind of compare it or mention some things about the previous version or the outgoing version, just so that prospect buyers like myself can distinguish whether it's gonna be worth it to go for the newer version or wait for it here in the Philippines, or just simply get today the current version that is still ongoing, or I think are still available on the dealerships. So going back, I really wanted one, like I mentioned, a black Hilux Conquest. But the thing about Toyota's like bigger cars, as we know it, it has a reputation of having some issues with the ride quality. Specifically with their SUVs, their pickup trucks, it has been known that there is really stiffness in the ride quality, right? And it has been a major criticism for the outgoing Toyota Hilux about the interior as being like classic or being vintage already or being old. Because Toyota might be thinking, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? They really held on to that older design, just tweaking some minor things here and there. But criticisms have really been rising up, and so many fans have just been crying out saying that it's time for an upgrade, Toyota. And because of these major cons of the outgoing Toyota Hilux, no matter how much I love it, my heart says, you know, the exterior looks is just really what I really want, and I believe is really my spirit car, if I may say that. Or the black color Hilux is really, I believe, is like the car that matches me personally. But no matter how much I loved it, my mind would say that I would want something more modern. I would want a better quality ride, which still really looks great in black. And some of you guys really know me that I'm really big on features. That is where, from Toyota Hilux, I was really considering the Ford Ranger. Again, still really looks great in black. And the biggest reason why I was drawn to the Ford Ranger instead is just because of that very premium interior. Tech features, fantastic. And the ride quality, I believe, is just really much better than the Hilux. The thing is, we all know when it comes to the reputation of reliability, being like tough and having no headaches when it comes to the ownership, it's just a very big difference with regards to the peace of mind. So that's what's been going on the past few months, guys. And for some reason, we had a change of plans, me and my family. So that is why we thought of holding on to that thought for now. And guess what? Here we are now. There's a newer version of that Toyota Hilux. And as someone who has already bought two Toyotas so far, the Vios and the Velos, I think I could just really accept the fact that I'm really tending, or I'm really leaning to buying a Toyota when it comes to the car purchasing and car buying decisions. That is also the reason why I was considering the Ford Ranger, because I also wanted to try a different brand. Something that just really spoils you with the features and the great things or the great experience, rather than holding on to their reputation of reliability and toughness and giving you just a little bit of those quality or comfort. So now that I'm able to thankfully establish a little bit of context, a personal view, a personal perspective about this new Hilux, I can now thankfully express with you guys my honest thoughts about this new Toyota Hilux. What are the things that I liked and didn't like too much about this new version? So let me start with the interior, because I really liked the outgoing one, but I just really wanted a new feel, a fresh vibe with the car's interior, and now Toyota gave it to us. A much better dashboard, a larger infotainment screen, and a fully digital instrument cluster. So that in itself are the reasons why I wanted to consider the Ford Ranger, because I just really think that the Ford Ranger has the best interior in its class. And now that Toyota released a new version or a new interior, I think that this has been a move that Toyota was able to use to keep me in their side. And speaking of more modern feels and features, you now have auto hold brakes and electronic parking brakes. So that is greatly appreciated, showing you that it's keeping up with the times. That electronic parking brakes and even the auto hold brake system has been really convenient in my experience daily driving in traffic. So that is a very welcome addition. And aside from that, I think that the steering wheels is now electronic as well, compared to the previous one, which was hydraulic steering wheels. Being someone who was able to drive a Toyota Veloz for about 2 years, this has been very light, this has been very soft and very convenient, very comfortable. And if you have tasted that, I don't think you're gonna be going back. So no matter how much we say that we like a little bit of that toughness and that macho factor or aspect, I just really think that compounding or over time is just really very convenient for me. And then lastly, speaking of convenience and comfort, Toyota listened. That is what they've been saying in their introductory speech. They want to give still the reliability and the toughness, but still concerned with the comfort of the driver and the family, which means that the suspension and the ride quality is now thankfully so much better than the outgoing one. That has been the major criticism of the outgoing Hilux. The ride quality is really stiff, it's really bad, it will hurt your back if you're gonna drive it for hours and hours, which is, I believe, an exaggeration, but still, who doesn't want comfort, right? So now, with this new version, if you're someone who is looking to buy a Hilux, I believe that that factor right there about the ride quality will be a little bit suppressed and will now be solved with this new version. Now, when it comes to your engine, I believe that it's still going to be the same one that we have with the outgoing one. That's fine with me. Of course, we all know that that has been proven and tested, so I don't have any problem with that. That 2.8 liter engine is totally fine with me. In fact, is really up there when it comes to the power and performance. And now they've given us an option as well for those who want the electric or the hybrid route, okay? That is also the advocacy of Toyota to provide for us a greener and more environmental friendly options for their cars. So that is really great for those who belong in that group. From top to bottom, I think that the 2.8 will be the standard. And all that we're talking about is just what we have learned so far from the release from the other countries. So let's see what Toyota Motor Philippines will be doing specifically here for the Philippines. So now let's move on to the most interesting part, the exterior looks. Let us start with the rear. So when it comes to your tailgate, thankfully assisted ones, so it's very convenient. Taillights look fantastic, and that Toyota branding is really much appreciated as well. My favorite addition to the rear part of this new Hilux are those rear steps, which is another check in my book when it comes to the modernization and the improvements against from the other competitor that I was looking at, which leads me to my thoughts on the overall look of the new Hilux. I just really think that the outgoing Hilux, the design specifically, was the peak Hilux for me when it comes to the overall look, the design of the wheels. That front grille is really beautiful. Just the overall presence of that outgoing Hilux, the stance is just really, for me, it's just personally, subjectively, for me, that design is the most beautiful design in a pickup truck ever. So like I said during the intro, when something has been really great and you try to provide a new version of that, it's really gonna be challenging. And I think that's the case here. You can really see and observe the reactions of so many Hilux fans, because honestly, with the new front fascia of this new Hilux, I think that it's really sleek. The sharper design is also good in my opinion. The headlights has been smaller. Again, they're just leaning towards that sharper look and more aggressive look. But that front grille really is something that personally, this, in my humble opinion, that front grille, that kind of design that they're implementing right now with their cars, I just think that it might take some time for me to accept that that is where Toyota's designs are leaning towards, because they have been using that with the new Corolla Cross, and subjectively, I think I mentioned before that I'm not really a fan of that. As a Toyota fan, I don't think you can do anything about it, because that's really where their designs are leaning towards. But to be fair, just specifically with the Hilux, I think that it will blend in with the color black option. So I think that it will be hidden in my sight, and I have already laid out that if I'm gonna be buying a Hilux, I'm gonna be going for a black one. Having said that, I think that it doesn't look that bad with the black version. And again, we're still yet to see what are the versions with the exterior looks that they'll be bringing in here in the Philippines. I think that that is gonna be a very big aspect on how we're gonna see this new launching from Toyota and how it's gonna be performing here in the Philippines. So in conclusion, would I be buying the new Toyota Hilux? Just in case, I'll be getting one in the near future. I really want to, if you're just gonna ask me, and I'm really praying to get one. So just in case it lands in the Philippine shores and it's already available, given the chance, would I be buying it? The answer is possibly yes, because of the new interior, the new vibe, the new feeling inside, very fresh, and the modern technology, the features I really like, and the ride quality as well is also better. So in that regard, it's a big win. And how about the exterior? You just said that you wanted the previous generation's front fascia. Well, with all the other benefits that I'll be getting, it checks a lot of boxes like I mentioned a while ago. I just think that yes, I really love the front fascia of the older one. It's just really the best. But maybe if I'll have the money as well, I think I'll just be willing to spend modifying it, especially knowing Hilux. There have been a lot of customization, modifications that have been available ever since. So maybe just because of the great interior and the reliability of the Toyota, maybe I'll just overlook the exterior, the front fascia, and maybe just do something about it moving forward. I think it's much easier to change the front grille rather than the interior. So maybe when the time comes, that's my thoughts for now, but we really never know yet until we have it here and I can get to see it personally. Then maybe that's when we'll decide, when we get to that point. I just really can't wait to see it in person and hopefully have an opportunity to test drive it and, as usual, give a review for you guys. But yeah, that has been my honest thoughts and opinions. I would love to know your perspective and your thoughts as well down in the comments. As usual, thank you so much for every single one of you for the support. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that those who seek God first are the ones who truly win in life. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the next videos. Ciao!